In this video, you're going to know how to make changes to your bank account details with TowGig technologies. The first part of the video is for mobile app expert users only, while the other part is for web-based experts with employees. TowGig, your best auto center for vehicle services. Own a towing, auto repair, car hauling and roadside assistance company. TowGig.com is for you. With TowGig, you increase revenue and grow your business with less efforts. Sign up now and become an auto service expert with TowGig.com. It's free. Log in to your TowGig mobile account. Swipe from left to right or tap the menu icon. Tap on Wages/Bank. Tap Update Bank Account. Then, enter your new bank account details. Tap Update when done. And that's it. If you are a towing company with employees, this part of the video is for you. To update your bank account credentials in your TowGig agency dashboard, sign into your TowGig employee dashboard. At the top right-hand corner of your screen, click on Profile. At the drop-down list, click Update Bank Account. Then, enter your new bank account details. And click Save Changes, and you're done. Go ahead and update your TowGig bank account details or sign up for free with TowGig.com now. Thank you.